Good morning. This is Rex Remigio reporting live from Coronadal in South Cotabato. We have this breaking news for you. As residents of Coronadal, South Cotabato, are still anxious about the aftershocks following the 7.2 magnitude quake that hit southern Philippines this morning. It was about 4:20 in the morning. Well, I was still lying in my bed and about to wake up for an early coverage. Suddenly, I felt my bed strongly shaking until my cameraman said, "Lumilindol." And the tremor was quite strong. I then heard other people in the hotel open their doors and rush out of their rooms. Some of them were only wearing pajamas, while others were only covered with towels. The hotel's fire alarm went off, prompting more guests to evacuate the building. The PBOX reports the quake struck 31 kilometers southwest of Sarangani in Davao Occidental. This is actually near the southernmost tip of the Philippines, near the report also says damage and aftershocks are also expected. A tsunami warning was issued but was later lifted. Please stay with CNN Philippines for updates on this breaking story. We will bring you more information on this magnitude 7.2 quake in Mindanao as it becomes available.